Happy planting day, my awesome friends. This is John Tree Coach. I'm the sales account manager at M&I Direct Rock Hill, and I got another tree to talk to you about that's going to help sell the job for you. Right in front of me is I have a Green Giant Arborvitae. Currently, I'm standing by a 15-gallon. It's 6 to 7 feet tall at the current moment. And what makes the Green Giant a perfect choice for the landscape today? Let's say you have a customer and your customer wants immediate privacy right then and now. They have tons of land, tons of space, but they need a quick, easy, and affordable option to give them that immediate green screen. The Green Giant is the answer your customer has been looking for. The Green Giant Arborvitae can get anywhere between 14 to 16 feet wide, making it an ideal choice for that immediate satisfaction. At maturity, this beast of a tree can get anywhere between 40 and 60 feet tall. As you plant the Green Giants next to each other, they're going to grow to a point where they'll touch each other, creating a perfect green screen. The Green Giant Arborvitae, again, grows fast. It grows much larger than a Jantar Arborvitae as well as that Emerald Arborvitae. So keep that in mind when selling this project. If you're in a very urban environment and you're trying to sell this Arborvitae, may not work for you. But if your customer has room to spare, they got a lot of real estate in their backyard, or they live out in the country, this right here would be the perfect choice for your customer today. If you need one of them, hit me up here in Rock Hill. I need more friends. If not, you can check out our Marietta location, our Peachtree Corners location, or our Piedmont, South Carolina location. Let's say you don't feel like talking to anybody. That's cool. Sometimes I don't feel like talking to anybody. You can order online today and check out our website as well. Thank you.